Hello there, it's Haley with the Multi-Info Report. So, it's been a while, but we are down to no storms. No active storms at the moment. So this thing, let's zoom in further, shall we? Low chance of tropical cyclone formation. This would actually be the remnants of a mong. So that would be a low chance of tropical cyclone regeneration or whatnot. So if this were to get back up to where it was, it could definitely have ill effects for Maurice and La Réunion. But so far with the models, doesn't look like it becoming a tropical cyclone again. It's quite likely. So this is new. Fiji, Nodi, Fiji, however, Nondi, I have no idea how it's pronounced. Anyway, they have their own tropical weather outlook, so that is now included on the site. So they have this area as a low today, and in the text it actually says low to moderate. And this thing over here, low chance of tropical cyclone formation in the next 24 hours per the JTWC. So that's pretty much it. Those three areas, which are all currently low chances. So yeah, let's talk about the South Pacific where they go. So here's the far into the future forecasting. So I put the, the disclaimer that these are only just two models. There's a whole bunch of different forecast models, and I don't know what I'm looking at, so it's not like, this is just for, this is what could happen in a parallel universe, right? So this is the ECMWF. So this is about the area, this is skipping ahead in 24-hour increments. So this thing that is currently a low chance could potentially be what looks to be a fairly big cyclone. So impacts to the peninsula up there, and then impacts to the coast. And then it also shows this thing that doesn't even have an outlook area on it at all, turning into a fairly significant cyclone for the west side. So that is the ECMWF. Now, if you watch this, ECMWF doesn't think that thing out near Fiji is going to turn into anything of note. So the GFS, this goes in 3-hour intervals or whatnot. So you can watch, there it is. So there's that thing. It thinks that this is going to turn into something, and it thinks there's going to be a new one back here, and then that one, and potentially a little bit of a tropical depression up there in the Northwest Pacific. So in my experience, the GFS seems to always be, of the forecast models I look at, it's like the GFS seems to be the one that always shows the worst case scenario, worst case in terms of strengthening and stuff. So, like, for instance, the ECMWF didn't think this was going to turn into anything, and whereas the GFS thinks it's going to be a fairly significant-looking tropical cyclone being out there with Samoa and American Samoa. So, yeah, that's just a look at what could possibly happen. So many parallel universes to visit. Yeah, so that is what is basically going on. Those three areas of low chance of tropical cyclone formation in the US today, with severe thunderstorm weather. There is nothing going on. The mesoscale discussion that's in effect is regarding heavy snow. The warnings that are in effect are flash flood warnings. So severe thunderstorm weather-wise is green today, it's green tomorrow, all the way down the forecast area or whatever. Yeah. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. We put on the satellite view. So there you go. Low, low, and low. Somewhere over there. That is it for today. Hopefully you are staying safe out there.